Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I've just posted regarding the Windows market share for the Statcounter June 2026 survey results. I'll leave the video linked. Now it's time to have a look at the desktop browser market share comparing May and June 2026. Now, out of the top 6 represented, 2 have decreased in market share and 4 have increased in market share. So starting at the back, Samsung Internet. Samsung Internet is one of those to have increased ever so slightly from 1.33% to 1.41%. Opera is one of those to decrease from 1.97% to 1.81%. And Opera is steadily decreasing every month, not going well for the browser according to Statcounter. And here's an interesting one. Safari has finally been moved from 3rd place to 4th place and has now been overtaken by Firefox. And Safari is also one of those to have dropped in market share from 5.32% to 5.18%. And just like Opera, Safari has been losing market share ever so slightly every month. And then Firefox has increased by give or take 3% from 3.81% to 6.31% and has now finally moved back into 3rd place, which is nice to see. And I think a big reason for that is because of the Manifest v2 deprecation in Chrome, which has been replaced by the Manifest version 3, which has been met with quite a bit of debate. So I think a lot of users are moving from Chrome to Firefox, as I've also seen in the comments on the channel over the last while. And Mozilla has been giving Firefox quite a lot of attention. So I think a lot of users are going back to Firefox. So nice to see that increase, and now in 3rd place. Edge, for the first time in a while, has also increased slightly from 9.94% to 10.45%, still in 2nd place. And then Chrome, as always, very much the forerunner and out in front and dominant, although it's decreased in market share from 74.93% to 72.24%, still the most used desktop browser worldwide according to Statcounter. And if we go look at the chart year over year, we can see that Chrome here in the green graph has fluctuated anywhere between 60-something% and just below 80% in that range for the last year. So nothing is coming close to Chrome at this stage. And here we can see Edge has been a little bit up and down ever so slightly over the last year. And here we can see Safari has dipped into 4th place and Firefox in the orange has moved up to 3rd place. We can see that reflected in the chart by Statcounter. So interesting stuff. Nice to see Mozilla Firefox gaining some traction. And it's going to be interesting to see if Firefox in the future can move Edge out of 2nd place into 3rd place. That's going to be an interesting one to watch. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.